Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the very latest on what to expect for Friday's thunderstorms. You can see the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center shows this yellow area. That's the part of the Arklatex where the risk of severe weather will be at its highest. A bit of differences in some of the high-res models, especially comparing Futurecast to the HRRR model. We will see a swath of pretty good thunderstorms move through parts of the area. The big question is where. It does appear as if we have two possibilities. So let's show you one possibility here with Futurecast, and you can see it shows, again tonight, a scattered shower possibility, and the rain that we have today across the region will wind down this evening. Going through tomorrow, a bit of a delay in the models on the timing of the storms. It now looks like late afternoon and evening. Futurecast is showing this cluster of thunderstorms here moving over the basically middle of the Arklatex. The HRRR has that happening further to the south and west. So keep that in mind as I show you some of the impacts here in a second. But as I put this in the motion, you can see as we go through the evening hours, the stronger storms will begin to move out. We'll be left with some stragglers by midnight tomorrow night, and then we'll see mostly cloudy sky for the rest of tomorrow night with some sunshine and a gusty northwesterly wind returning for Saturday. As far as the possible impacts, wind probably going to be our biggest concern. It really depends on where those thunderstorms develop. You can see what Futurecast is showing in terms of intensity. A good 30 to 50 mile per hour gusts here. We very well could see that handful of 60 mile per hour gusts in spots. Keep in mind, it is also possible that that area that gets the stronger storms could be further to the south and east if the HRRR verifies. And you'll see the placement of that here with the HRRR when I show you rainfall here in a second. As far as rotation potential, again, the colors here, very low and low. And you can see Futurecast with that northerly track has the possibility of rotating storms closer to Shreveport. Again, the HRRR has it further to the south and east. So we will see a low-end chance for a few rotating storms. The tornado risk is looking low, but it's not zero. That's the way of looking at it, as again, wind probably will be our biggest threat. The hail threat will be there, but it's also looking relatively low. So let's take a look at rainfall, and you can see where we see that cluster of strong storms move through. We could see pockets of 1 to 2 inches of rain. Futurecast has that happening from East Texas through the northwest corner of Louisiana into south central Arkansas. Notice the placement of the afternoon run of the HRRR model, which just came in. It has that swath much further to the south. So the big question that remains here with the thunderstorms tomorrow is where they will track. Futurecast shows, again, pretty close to I-20. The HRRR and other high-res models show further to the south. We are looking at the possibility for some damaging winds, and again, a tornado or two can't be ruled out.